Well, lo and behold, we got a new set of buyers. This is looking like a strong head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. I don't like the size of the shoulders. So this is still, to me, in unconfirmed. What would it take for this thing to confirm for me to bet on it? That would be a hard thing to say. If, let's say this thing dropped, let's say the US dollar dropped even lower and created another shoulder that was like this much deeper, then yeah. But here with this tiny little shoulder here, a tiny little shoulder there that doesn't even reach the 618 or the 786 of the head, I'm talking Fibonacci zones. I mean, it could happen. It could happen. Since this is the natural retrace target, this is the 618 retrace target for this entire dip zone. And we had a descending broadening wedge. So that descending broadening wedge pattern right there tells me that, yeah, this would be the pattern regardless of what's happening here. Let's say none of this happened here. None of this happened. I would still say that this arrow was was correct. But now that this is happening, it actually adds doubt as to whether we'll reach the red line. If this didn't happen, I would say, yeah, however we got there, we'd get there. Because we have a broadening wedge here, and we have a well, anyway, there's a couple of different reasons, but mainly because of this bigger 3 drive. But however we reach this, we probably will reach it, except will we reach it through this? I'm a little bit skeptical. This doesn't have a lot of power behind it, but it might. It was some really rich Soros guy might just push it up there regardless. But statistically, I wouldn't bet on it. That's all I'm saying. The red line is the target, but this particular trade I wouldn't bet on. But that's what's happening. For faster real-time updates with trade signals that tell you what to buy, when to buy, what leverage to use, when to short, why, and all the fundamental research behind it, join bitcoin-signals.org. I know it's a Bitcoin URL, but it applies for everything. Crypto, stocks, Forex, everything in the world that you need to get rich. Richer than you already are.